And like I said, there's no bats in this part of the cave, so there's no problem with being here. Now check this out. This is kind of unfortunate, but see here, this is the way I need to go. There's really cool frost that's formed, but it's obviously been trampled by people going through here. I mean, it's the only way through. So if you're gonna get through here, you're gonna have to step on this ice. Oh well. I'll try to stay to the path where everybody else is going too, so I keep the damage localized. Oops. It's interesting how it's all curly. I know there's a wind through here, airflow through here, but other than that, I have no idea why the frost isn't nice and straight. And then up here, some icicles hanging down. Of course, there's ice outside too, but it's not nearly as pretty. Except by, you know, certain spots. Some places are just prettier than others. All right, wow. Wow, a good amount of water flowing down there. Although I can't really remember. Okay, how's that compare with other times I've been here? I don't know exactly how much the water level goes up and down in here. I'm sure there are times when there's more or less water flowing, but how that translates to the depth of the water, I can't remember. Hopefully I can go back to my older videos and compare and be like, oh yeah, I remember that. It's one reason I shoot these videos. It's either I just take pictures. It's easier just to shoot video. There's another icicle here. A few icicles there. Now there is a way up there. I'm pretty sure last time I was here, I've already gone up there. So I'm gonna stick to the easy path. Whoops. Thing is, there's ice on the floor here, so I do need to be a little bit careful with my traction. I don't lose control and fall. I've got a helmet on, but that doesn't make me indestructible. That one's curved. What's weird, I thought the wind was mostly from left to right. You can see, look at the way my breath is blowing. But the icicle is going the other way. Wonder why the icicle is leaning to the right if the wind is, or the icicle's leaning one way if the wind is going the other way. Kind of strange. Very interesting. Okay, now I get to climb over this wall. There's definitely ice on the rocks here, so they could be a bit slippery. I'm curious, as it gets later in the winter, colder outside, does the ice form farther and farther in? How far in does the ice go? Fascinating. It's tall enough in here I could, I'm gonna put on my backpack. It'll be easier to carry it than wear it. I'm not going much farther though in this main tube. I'm almost to the turnoff for the maze. Masochist maze. Let me go up here for a second. I just want to see there's some ice up here. So there's ice back there. That's just another way out. I'm not going to bother to go back there. Way up there. There's ice on this rock now. That's the tricky part. I need to get up on this rock. It's gonna hurt if I fall off this one. Okay, wow. This is unfortunate actually, because normally I would want to hop on this rock. There's some serious ice on this rock. Not sure if it's going to be particularly easy to climb up this way. But I think what I'm going to do is try, see how badly I hurt myself. Okay, gotta adjust my knee pad. My knee pad has slipped down. Now it's an ankle pad, which is about as worthless as, well, anyway, you get the idea. Okay, well, so far I seem to have decent traction. I think I'm gonna put the flashlight down so I have my hand free. The problem is I don't have a good place to put my foot. Yeah, that's the tricky part. Like I said, that's why I brought boots. My boots have much better traction than my shoes, so I can get a little bit of control. But all these rocks in here got a little bit of glaze of ice on them, so they're actually not very slippery when they're warm and dry. But today, they're not warm and they're not dry. Question is, can I remember the way into Masochist Maze? I think there are actually two ways in. Let me try this first hole. If this is this, the next one over. Huh. Yeah. Wonder if I could fit through here or not. All right, I'm gonna try to get through here. If it doesn't work, I'll go the other way. Oh, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna fit through there. I'm gonna go the other way. There's another way over here. A little bit easier. Not particularly safe, but whatever. Yeah, here the rocks are definitely above freezing. There's no sign of ice on them at all today. Now, whether they'll have more frost in the winter, I have no idea. Okay, so look at this. There is the way in. The easiest way. I'm not sure if it's really the only way. I heard rumors there's several ways in and out of here, but how practical they are, I don't know. This cave's a little bit difficult. But at least there's no ice here. Because there's the rocks are above